Dear student, class 8, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7, Bangladesh state and government system. The state is a political organization. What type of organization of a state? Political organization. Government is one of the elements to form a state. Actually, every independent country in the world has its own government system. Government can be of different types. Every government has some organs. By these organs, government has to perform various types of functions. The state is governed according to some principles which are written down in the constitution. After liberation, the constitution of Bangladesh was framed in 1972. When did the constitution of Bangladesh frame? In November 1972. In this constitution, the principles and regulation of our country have been mentioned clearly. Types of government. Lesson 1. Look, among the 4 fundamental elements of the state, government is one of them. How many fundamental elements of a state? Government, specific territory, sovereignty, people. This is the basic controlling power of the state. What is the basic controlling power of the state? Government. As a ship cannot run without an engine, in the same way, state cannot run without a government. Every function of the state is performed by the government. The government is an essential element of all states, but it can be of different types. The types of government were not same from the period when the state originated. From time to time, the types and concept of the government have been changed. At present, look, the government can be classified according to the following chart: government, democracy, dictatorship, and democracy divided into two sub-point, constitutional monarch and republic, and constitutional monarch divided 2 parts: federal government, unitary government, republic, parliamentary form of government, presidential form of government. And parliamentary divided into 2 parts: federal unitary and presidential form of government, federal unitary. The government can normally be divided into 2 forms. How many forms government are normally divided into 2 forms? Namely, democracy and dictatorship. Democracy and dictatorship. In democracy, sovereign power of the state is vested in the hand of the people. Actually, people is the all source of power. People are the all source of the source of all power. Underline. People elect their nominated person or political party by exercising their power of voting. Every parliamentary election, local government election, we observed it. The elected representative form the government and administer the country. Who are the representative? Actually, we nominated them and we select them through the vote. Most of the countries in the world have such type of government. On the other hand, dictatorship is a rule of one person or one political party. Underline, what is dictatorship? Is a rule of one person or one political party. In this system of government, people don't have any recognition of their rights and opinion. Here the country is ruled according to the wishes of a dictator or according to the wish and desire of a political party. Number 2, on the basis of power and head of the state, the democratic form of government is classified into constitutional monarchy and republic. Underline that. On the basis of power and head, the dictatorship is divided how many forms? or classified how many forms: constitutional monarchy and republic. Constitutional monarchy is such type of government where head of the state gets power by heredity, like Saudi Arab. At present, direct constitutional monarchy hardly exist except one or two countries. Hardly like Saudi Arab, but many countries of the Brunei, Saudi Arab, Brunei, and many countries of the world still sustain constitutional monarchy to preserve tradition. On the other hand, republic is a system. Republic is a system of government. What is republic? Where head of the states get power through indirect election by the votes. In this system, people are considered the owners of the state. Look, point number 3. On the basis of the distribution of power and democratic government can be divided into two forms. On the basis of distribution of power, how many form the democratic government divided? Unitary government and federal government. Unitary form of government is a system in which unitary form of government in which all power is vested upon the central government. Like India, central government. Federal form of government is a system in which governmental power is distributed by the constitution between central government and provincial government. On the basis of relationship between executive and legislative, democratic government can be divided in two forms: parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. In parliamentary form of government, the executive as the whole becomes responsible and depends to the legislative department. Like Bangladesh. But in presidential form of government, executive department does not remain accountable or responsible to the legislature. In this system, the government president, his cabinet govern the country, like when autocratic government like Ershad rule the country, govern the country. Types of government of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a democratic country. What type of country? Bangladesh is democratic country. Republic form of government is present here. Which form of government is present here? Republic. The people are the owners of the state here. She has no province. The administration is run from the center. Parliamentary form of government exists here. In a cabinet form of government, a constitution head runs the country. Who runs the country? Constitution head runs the country. The prime minister becomes the head of the government. Who is the head of the government? Prime minister, and cabinet workers under him. The priority of the legislature is ensured here. The cabinet is accountable to the legislature for its activity. Like Bangladesh Jatiya Sanshad. Lesson 3. Fundamental State Policies of Bangladesh. According to the original constitution of 1972 and the 15th amendment of the constitution, there are 4 fundamental state policies are as follows. How many policies? 4 policies, 4 fundamental policies. Nationalism. A unique bond has been created among the Bengali nation with the help of the same language, literature, culture. So it is declared in the constitution that as Bengali nation achieved the independence and sovereignty of Bangladesh by their struggle and unique bond. This unity and fraternity will be the basis of the Bengali nationalism. Actually, you know, the language movement inspired us, and the unity actually inspired and united us to create a movement for our own language. This is nationalism. Socialism, to bring an equitable distribution in economic sector and ensure the amenities and facilities for all are the objectives of the policy. Actually, say for example, education for all, say for example, health facilities for all. Socialism is accepted as a fundamental state policy to ensure impartial justice. So, socialism accepted as a fundamental state policy to ensure impartial justice and building up exploitation-free society. Democracy. The main purpose of making democracy fundamental state policy is to ensure people's participation. What is the main purpose? To ensure people's participation in all activities. The main fundamental human rights and freedom of the people will be ensured through this. It will establish the prestige of the people. Secularism. Secularism has been included as a state policy so that every citizen can practice his and her religion equally. Nobody can create any hindrance or interfere to one another in the practice of religion. The major policies are followed in every sector of the state administration. Every citizen should abide by these policies. Besides, the Constitution is a holy document of the state administration. So it is the duty for every citizen to honor and abide the Constitution. Actually, Bangladesh is a democratic country and a developing country, and also developing country, and the whole country governed through the Constitution. The main characteristics of Bangladesh Constitution. Constitution is a basic document of running the state. We know as a building or construction is made according to a design. In the same way, the administration of the state is run according to the Constitution. What will be the types of the government, what kind of rights will we enjoy as citizen, what kind of power will be exercised by the various organs of the government. Everything is written in the Constitution. It is the good sign of this Constitution. Everything is written in the Constitution. The history of the Constitution of Bangladesh is as follows. Look, the independence of Bangladesh was declared 26 March 1971 underline. The victory of Bangladesh was achieved on 16 December. Declaration of Independence 26 March and victory of Bangladesh 16 December 1971. Through the armed liberation war of long 9 months. How long the war stayed? Last 9 months. The first session of Gana Parishad, underlined. Gana Parishad was held on 10th April 1972. When did the Gana Parishad held in our country? 10th April 1972. In the session, a constitution committee was formed and Dr. Kamal Hossain was nominated the president of this committee. Who was the president or head of the committee? Dr. Kamal Hossain. This committee made a draft constitution within 6 months. This committee made a draft constitution within 6 months. How many months? 6 months. It was presented in Ganaparishad 30 October 1972. The constitution was finally approved on the 4th November 1972. According to the opinion of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, this constitution has been, actually he quoted, has been written the blood of the lakhs of martyrs. So it is a sacred document for all of us. Constitution is not so constitution is not an unchangeable document. It can be changed and amended with the change of time. Till now it has been amended 16 times. How many times it has been amended? 16 times. And last amendment of the constitution was made of 22nd September 2014. The main characteristic: the People Republic of Government. Bangladesh will be known as an independent and sovereign republic. Parliamentary form of government, cabinet or parliamentary system of government will be in action in Bangladesh. The real power of the government will be vested in the hand of the Prime Minister. Written Constitution. This constitution is the written document. It is divided into 11 parts. There are 153 articles and preamble in the constitution. How many articles? 153 articles and parts. How many parts? 11 parts. And a written document. Fundamental principles of the state policy. In this constitution, 4 fundamental principles of the state policy has been formed. Already I discussed nationalism, socialism, democracy and secularism. State religion. The constitution has declared Islam as a state the constitution has declared Islam as a state religion. At the same time, it also ensures the rights and status of the followers of Hindu, Buddhist, Christian, and also other religious. It ensured the others' language respect. Nation and nationality. As a national identity, the people of Bangladesh will be known as Bengali. Without the ethnic groups, the identity of the citizen will be Bangladeshi. Unitary government. And unitary government, unitary form of Bangladesh will be introduced in the country. Unicameral, very important legislature. In this constitution, there has been a provision of a single chamber in the parliament, or one chamber in the parliament. The parliament will be formed with 300 members who will be elected by direct election, and 50 female members will be elected by the votes of the elected members of the parliament. Actually 50 reserved female seat. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights of the citizen, their preservation have been ensured in the constitution. Sovereignty of the people. According to the constitution, all power of the state belong to the people, and the particular authority will exercise this power on behalf of the people. Independence of the judiciary. Independence of the judiciary has been guaranteed in the constitution. Universal adult franchise. Without any discrimination of nation, religions, color, it is declared in the constitution that those who are 18 will exercise their vote. Who are the voters? 18 or 18 plus. Election procedure. If the parliament either breaks or is abolished, fresh election will have to be arranged within how many days? 90 days. Amendment of the constitution. The constitution can be amended by the votes very very important, this line of 2/3 majority. What percentage? 2/3 majority of the total number of the members of the parliament. So student, I already discussed government type, policies of constitution, policies of government, and constitution characteristic, policies of state, government method. And if you have any problem, please contact with my messenger ID. Thank you very much.